Custom bookbinding is a craft that requires attention to detail and proper techniques to achieve the desired results. In this video, we will explore the common mistakes that bookbinders often make and how to avoid them. By being aware of these pitfalls, you can enhance the beauty and durability of your bound books. From choosing the right materials to understanding binding techniques, each step plays a crucial role in creating a high-quality book. Stay tuned to learn valuable tips that will help you elevate your custom bookbinding skills. The choice of materials plays a vital role in the success of any custom bookbinding project. Using low-quality or unsuitable materials can have a significant impact on both the appearance and durability of the final product. Opting for materials that are not well suited for bookbinding can lead to issues like poor adhesion, tearing, and degradation over time. To avoid these pitfalls, it's crucial to select high-quality papers, threads, adhesives, and covers that are appropriate for the type of book you are creating. Investing in quality materials is key to ensuring the longevity and aesthetic appeal of your bound books. Proper cutting and folding are essential aspects of custom bookbinding that directly impact the final outcome of the book. Incorrect cutting can result in uneven edges and misaligned pages, detracting from the overall aesthetics and functionality of the book. Similarly, improper folding techniques can lead to pages that do not align correctly, affecting the book's structure and usability. Precise cutting with sharp tools and careful folding along straight lines are key to achieving clean edges and well-aligned pages in bookbinding projects. Attention to detail in these fundamental processes is crucial for creating professional quality bound books. Proper binding techniques are critical in custom bookbinding to ensure the durability and longevity of the final product. Neglecting essential techniques such as sewing signatures, gluing spines, or using appropriate adhesives can lead to weak bindings that are prone to damage over time. Sewing signatures together creates a sturdy foundation, while proper spine glue application provides structural support. Choosing the right adhesives for different components of the book is essential for maintaining integrity. By following these binding techniques diligently, bookbinders can create strong and resilient bindings that can withstand the test of time. The cover of a book serves as the first impression and can significantly impact how the book is perceived by readers. Neglecting the importance of a well-designed cover can result in missed opportunities to attract and engage potential readers. A poorly designed cover may fail to convey the essence of the book's content or appeal to the target audience. Investing time and effort into creating a visually appealing and informative cover is crucial for capturing the attention of readers and enticing them to explore the book further. A well-designed cover can enhance the overall appeal and marketability of a bound book. Quality control is an indispensable aspect of the custom bookbinding process to guarantee a flawless end product. Neglecting to conduct thorough quality checks at various stages of bookbinding can result in unnoticed errors that compromise the final outcome. Regular quality control measures, such as inspecting materials, assessing alignment, and verifying binding integrity, are essential to identify and rectify any issues promptly. By prioritizing quality control throughout the bookbinding process, bookbinders can ensure that each bound book meets high standards of craftsmanship and durability, ultimately delivering a superior finished product to customers.